subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo launched its new 5G phone under Y series in India called Vivo Y200, and it is the successor of the Vivo Y100 smartphone that was launched back in February this year. Now let's see the specifications of the Vivo Y200 smartphone. The Vivo Y200 features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 92% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of camera, the Vivo Y200 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 64-megapixel main camera with f1.79 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box, with Fun TouchOS 13 skin on top, and it is equipped by a large 4800 mAh battery that supports 44 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.35 by 74.85 by 7.69 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y200 has been priced in India at 21,999 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in desert gold and jungle green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y200 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.